This is a Maasai shield. Lamp is made out of dao. This is a Maasai mask from Congo. It has like beads on it. Hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you like this kind of videos, this type of videos, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up, because when you give a big thumbs up, that's when I know like you enjoy this kind of videos and I do more. This is a rustic iron sheet wood door that they've used it as a decor for a door made out of rustic mabati. And then this one is a lamp door. This is a door from 100 years ago, and what they've done, they've left all the details here. It's from over 100 years ago. And then these nails are from, they're really ancient. I don't think they're nails like this. And then this wooden bench is also an old wood. It's recycled to be like a table bench. And then there's an wood, and they've painted it with a map of the world map, all who wander lost. Then when you go, this one here is also a tree stump that was eaten by ants, and then they've decided to use it as a decor for plant. These are real plants, by the way. Maasai is a tribe in Kenya. This is a Buddha mask from India. This is a Maasai mask from Congo. It has like beads on it. This is also a decorative lamp that they have painted with silver. And these are just decorative pieces of ascaris, and they shoot. They can shoot. I'm just. This is an old railway slipper from 100 years ago. We're just using it as a holder for soap, and then this is also a shell. And yeah, and then there's a passion fruit that will grow and eat when you are showering, and also banana, I don't know what it's called. And then there's a shower head that is from a, what is it called, canister or something. Yeah, and it's a bucket from, this is a wire mesh, and we're using it to put dog collars. And you can put your handbag, cups, and hunting.
Yeah, that is a face. It's a head made from coconut tree.
What? Ni mtu alikave, si ndio? So today's video I'm going to show you how to make a bed, a farm bed. A farm rustic bed. Yeah, it's really cool. So let's go and do it. From this to this. 20 kgs. When you take the mgomba ya ndizi, I'll say it in Kiswahili because I know in Kiswahili, mgomba ya ndizi, you cut the stem and you can give the stem to cows, goats. Yeah.
That is the stem.
Yeah. You are ready? So today I'm going to teach you more about banana farming. This is my friend's farm. Okay, you know English is so hard to me. It's my friend's farm, Andy and Terry, and they own this one. This is one of the farm they are owning, and they do banana, they do honey, they sell honey, and yeah, come I show you about banana. So like this one is a ripe banana that you eat. And comment down below if you want me to bring you banana from coast. Come. Matoke. The one wa Kisii wanapenda kupika. This one is cooked. You can't eat this ripe. It has a different texture to it, so you need to cook it, and it's called matoke. And there's another one called plantain. Let me go and banana.
Yeah.
So let me teach you more. When this banana matures, you'll cut it, and then after you cut it, you're going to cut this stem and feed it. They feed it to goose. Wakupigana kwanza ni jogoo. Malango nimeambia hiyo ni wageni wanakuja. So that's it, guys. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and go and check out Andy and Terry's farm in Ukunda. Bye.